girl plus Barb, and I am back with another video. And today I am just doing a vlog, and I literally just sitting here and just decided to do this vlog. So I'm over at my mom's house today. We're just hanging out, and she's going to do me a facial. So this is her first time doing her facial, where she has literally all her products. So she has the steamer, the bed. We finally got the bed. All the like just facial products, the towel warmer. So she is set up and ready to go. So I'm just gonna. Can you wax my eyebrows?
Yeah,
I left them like that just so you can wax them.
I didn't turn it on.
We can do that after.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I'll wait.
Yeah.
To turn it on.
And I try to leave. She wanted me to leave my armpits and stuff hairy so she can wax them, but I couldn't do it. So yeah, stay tuned for this vlog. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and press that notification bell so you won't miss out on any videos from me. And comment down below. Stay tuned. So these are the products and stuff that she is using. This is her like chart. Keep up with everything she needs for the face. Then she has the brushes. And this is the same brand that Cardi B uses for her facials too. So she has the high-end, good quality stuff. Dermalogica is what it's called. Where's Stinkabutt? Y'all say hi to Stinkabutt. Stinkabutt, he's over there in his cage. There he is. You're looking like a little raccoon. Say hi, Stinkabutt. What are you doing right now?
Well, I thought I could add water to the top of that, but
You need that whole thing got to be full, or just a little bit?
It was started beeping, so.
Oh. It's your first time doing the full thing.
Mm-hmm. On you.
Right.
I've been doing it at school, but.
Oh, have you?
Yeah. That's how we practice, but wait, raise your head up. Okay.
So mom is almost finished with school. She's been on it. She ain't missed one day. When is your March? She graduates.
It's supposed to be about March 16th, I think.
Yeah, she graduates in March. Super excited. She's planning on opening up a spa, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's the plan, to open up a spa. What are you going in with first?
Pre-cleanse, always.
Pre-cleanse. I'm gonna post before and after pictures too on here. And she does your like
Décolleté.
Yeah. That smells good.
I need to get used to it.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
It smells like lemons. Ooh, this is my favorite part. Ooh, that feels so good. I love the top part. Then we got the steamer. That feels really good. Is it supposed to be on all the face?
Yeah, I'm trying to. My hands are still.
Your face be focused. Oh, that fan is cool.
It just is a different feel and texture and, you know, for your face. 10 minutes. Yes.
So in this part, you have an option of doing a scalp massage. Ooh, I love scalp
Are you
massages.
going to take this down? Or?
Oh, you're gonna do it? Okay.
Yeah.
I could just pull it out. I have 2 hair ties in there, so.
Okay.
You can do a scalp massage or you can do a hand massage, right?
Yes.
So you have 2 options. I'm choosing scalp because I love scalp massages.
Just have a little toner.
This is
1,
a toner.
2, 3.
No, I'm just playing. Ooh, looking good, looking good.
It's just a little serum.
Make sure you guys go follow the business page, the link in the description. I'm going to post it down below so you guys can go follow the business page. We don't have anything up at the moment because she hasn't finished school and, you know, she's still working on stuff and learning and practicing, trying to perfect the craft. But make sure you guys go follow their business page so when we start like dropping stuff, you guys will be able to see everything. So the plan is to open up the salon together, me and my mama. So she's been looking at spaces and stuff like that. So we're just kind of like, if it's meant to be, it's meant to be. So we're just looking around and stuff like that at the moment. You got anything you want to say, Mama?
On a good journey. We're on it.
Period.
Look out for us.
Coming to a city near you. No.
Amen. Love to travel.
And if anybody on here is in Dallas, I will be in Dallas, Texas, February 19th and 20th to do makeup in a shop. So if you guys want to book an appointment, DM me on Facebook at Kelsey Wilkerson, Kelsia, or DM me on Instagram.
Peace out, YouTube.
We ain't done, Mama.
Oh.
I was just... Man, you was ready to leave him like that?
Right? Try to
that?
make her relax and she can't relax.
Right, okay, I'm gonna chill. I'll be back, y'all. Go potty. Stretch. Oh, oh. Ooh, my skin looks so good.
And, you know, different masks.
Me and Mom are out eating Chinese food. I can't eat Chinese food and meat anymore. Ever since I've seen a video, I just can't work myself up to do it. All right, y'all. It's been real. You know, you always gotta take something from your mama's house. It ain't right if you don't.
So you're laying in the bed taking a nap and you
Right.
don't get to do that.
Dinklebird. Notification bell. Make sure y'all go show love to the Instagram page. Period. Link in the description. Peace. Mom, you wanna say bye?
Peace out, YouTube.
You did. Didn't get to get these freaking eyebrows waxed because we couldn't find her products. Like, I don't know where they went. Ooh, but she gonna do them tomorrow, so me and Maya just got back from the makeup store, and guys, I hate going to the makeup store because I always spend so much money, and I don't know why. Like, I don't try. So I'm about to show y'all everything I got. Every time. So these were buy two, get one free. So I bought two and got one free because you always need makeup wipes, period. And all this stuff is going in my kit. None of this is for me personally. Literally makes no sense. Why is makeup so expensive? I can't. So I got some brow pencil, some brow wax. I want to try this out, start doing some brows, a different technique. Then I have some matte. So I usually get the Morphe setting spray, but this one is a matte setting spray. So I'm really excited to try this one out. Then I just have a little contour brush that I want to start using. Makeup remover. Highlights for my dark skin babies. Let me show y'all this highlight. It's so fire. See, it looks really pretty on the skin. So I wanted to try it on my chocolate babies. So I got that. Then I got some illuminizer. I want to try this. I'm gonna upload a makeup tutorial soon, probably after this video. So stay tuned for that because I'm gonna be using some of these products. Then I have a liner, lip liners. So yeah, that's how much all this was. That's so pretty.